Good afternoon, students. Children, the vast ocean on the earth is a home to countless aquatic animals. All of them look so unique and beautiful. Isn't it, children? Yes, of course. The jellyfish, the shark. Right at the bottom of the ocean is the coral reef. So beautiful. Can you guess which animal it is? Yes, a turtle. And this one, an octopus. The largest animal in the world, the blue whale. The tiny little fishes deep in the sea, the dolphins. But children, how are we able to see all these aquatic animals that live in the deep sea? Because of the sea divers who go deep in the sea with the cameras to do the recording. But what are we going to learn in English today? A short and simple story, Ryokan and the Starfish. What is a starfish? As the fish is star-shaped, so it is called starfish. They are one of the most beautiful looking animals in the vast ocean. Children, you know, they have no brain and no blood. And they are found in all the oceans of the world. So the story goes like this. Ryokan was a monk who lived in Japan. Monk means a person who has devoted his life for religious service. He was a well-known teacher and a poet and a calligrapher. Calligrapher means a person who practices the art of fine handwriting. One day he was walking on the beach and he saw that hundreds of starfish had been washed ashore in a storm. Ashore means on the shore. The storm had blown over and the starfish were dying in the hot sun. Ryokan began to pick up the starfish one by one. And what did he do, children? He threw them back in the sea. What's the use? Said his disciple who was watching Ryokan. Disciple means a follower of teacher. There are hundreds of fish dying. Throwing back a few of them will not make any difference. Ryokan picked up another fish. It will make a difference to this little fish, said Ryokan, throwing the fish back into the sea. So children, what is the important message to learn from this story? When help is needed, it is important to give whatever help you can give. Now it's time for our written work of the lesson. You can refer to page number 88 for the exercise. Write today's date and the name of the lesson, lesson 37, Ryokan and the Starfish. Question 1, meanings. Calligrapher, someone who knows the art of fine handwriting. Ashore, on the shore. Question 2. Answer the following questions. What did Ryokan see on the beach? On the beach, Ryokan saw hundreds of starfish that had been washed ashore in a storm. What did he do? Answer. Ryokan picked up the starfish one by one and threw them back in the sea. What did he mean by "it will make a difference to this little fish"? Answer. He meant that though he could not save the hundreds, but saving the life of the one little fish in his hand would make a difference to that particular fish. So that was all in this lesson. Thank you.